What could have possessed if you wake up like this in the morning?
I fuck when we get last night.
Dan, be honest to me. Me and your friend. Everybody, know the cat's out the bag. Me and you are friend.
Yeah.
The whole TikTok, no. We can't hide the friendship no more.
Yeah.
Be honest to your friend.
Yeah.
I'm gonna touch you.
Yeah. One big long cocky.
Dan, be honest. You have one man that go through that door there, in and out that door there when the camera lock off, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Dan, show the people that hold the man cocky up on the bed. A joke.
Color, warm, summer. Millipede, one up and pull up on Millipede.
Yo, Nation, go on, it's your boy AJ. We're back with another episode. It's a Shake Room, and those of you who are new, please subscribe and like the video and share to your friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We in the building.
Hell, I want no man. Hey.
So adjust now. You're heavy on the social media thing. You're there on TikTok, you're there on Instagram. You just go on with
So
it.
me just do it, man. Them call it cartel internet.
I what you say.
Yes. So
You know what I love about you?
Yeah.
You live.
I have to.
Fuck everybody else.
Yeah,
I live
man.
me free, me
Yeah, boy.
happy,
Of
and
course.
me not have nothing to hide.
No,
I'm
me
there,
not.
I'm
Long me not forward, I'm up here. You got tape?
Yes,
You sure you got tape?
it's not your cartel.
I'm up here no rape. You know, long me not forward, I'm up here 13 years. Because them did have me in a prison around there. But I'm free and everything clear. Yeah, listen. Yeah.
Nation, Gaza boss outside and him nah hide. Him and see them. But a lot of people was wondering, are we shorty there? But you see me as a Vybz Kartel clearly hear about what happened really with him and Shorty. And the first time one see them really met in person. Take a listen.
Before you come out of prison?
Yeah, she came to visit me after we met 2015. She came in 2019. That's the first time I saw her.
4 years.
Yeah. She wanted to come before that, but I was
You
like,
tell her no.
yeah, like,
No,
Yes.
see them, me have to give it up to you because you're different.
yeah, man, she pressed in.
You're different.
Persistent.
Woman like that, you have to keep them.
I love her next to God.
No,
man.
you have to keep them.
I love her next to
and
God.
she,
trust
my
me.
situation wasn't like that, but she remind me of me because when my husband got prison, everybody was like, in my face 10, 20, you stay with him. And I say, yes,
Of
me I
course.
stay with him.
Which
You understand?
which bring me to the next thing. That's why I
Yes.
told you about the bun and cheese
Yes.
earlier.
You get only about.
But Jesus!
So well, and baby, I will get him on a shanty.
Every time.
Keisha, can you behave yourself? All right, I'm back. Zip it up.
May I tell you? But let's just say that every time I see bun,
You're
I'm
afraid.
traumatized.
You're traumatized.
PTSD.
But guess what?
Yeah.
See them not give you no bun. If that woman left Europe and come to
yeah,
Jamaica,
man.
she
Yeah,
not
man.
give you no bun.
No, sir.
You see that diamond, yeah?
Yes.
She need one of them.
That bad.
She need one of them.
Need my visa.
We need a visa because guess what? Me have for there the wedding.
Exactly.
I'm going the wedding for there America.
And I just say diamond them.
And me
there.
a come.
All
And
right.
we need a good 10, 20 carat for see them because guess what?
All right.
She deserve it.
No, for real. No
And
joke.
no man should deserve
No
it.
joke.
Me,
I'm
me,
telling
me
you.
I tell her say, even when today people are saying, why you want to interview Vybz Kartel? Because me say me can relate to the story.
Simple.
Me can
Simple
relate to
as
see
that.
them and me can relate to you because
Yeah,
that's
man.
something when me go through in
Yes,
the
man.
same
Yes, man.
entertainment
And
industry.
come out victorious.
And come out bigger than ever.
Bigger
same
than
thing
ever.
for
You
it.
see it? Exactly.
And this is so much good for you, man, because you know
Yes.
what? Me sit down with you literally 30 minutes and you're a good man.
Yep.
You was
Thank
a
you.
good
You
person.
hear that? I go
Good.
near one burner.
Good. No, you have to be, you have to be a one burner.
Exactly. Of course.
We not play
I'm
them.
not a problem with that.
No,
neither, 'cause
and there's
The
no.
love I'm need for a lifetime. When my hand on my rum, girl, you look like Ice Spice.
Nation, Vybz Kartel have this to say about Popcorn, Gaza Empire, and the struggles coming up. Nation, take a listen.
Your childhood growing up in Portmore.
Okay. I mean, typical family, two parents, like 5, 6 of us growing up with two parents in a
Okay.
small house, you know. The house probably just the size of the room, a little
The whole
smaller.
house.
The entire house,
Yeah.
man. You know what I mean? So we grew up rough, but it built way.
Yes.
It built up our character, you could say.
Turn you to the man you are
Yeah,
today.
exactly. So
Right.
we get character, we get resilience, we're tough, we know
Yes.
how to fight, physically, mentally, every way you can think of.
So how is
So-
your relationship today with Spice?
Spice?
You know, so Spice love you.
Which Spice? Grace Hamilton.
Grace Hamilton, she CM1.
I'm a G that man. Okay,
Big
man.
up
Big up Spice, man.
Spice.
That's my, she's from
Bestie.
Portmore too, you
Yes,
know.
that's what she tell me.
Yeah. So,
All
yeah,
right.
man. And I knew her since we were born hungry. Like
Yes.
long time
Yes,
days.
back in the days.
Back in the days, you know. So big up Spice.
Big up
Yeah,
Grace.
man. Amazing Grace, like I like to call her.
Al,
Yeah.
do you think you'll ever rebuild the Gaza empire?
My kids are the proof of that.
That's
my
how
children.
you pass it down to the kids
Yeah,
them.
of course, like everything else.
I want to ask you something, man. If you don't want answer at school,
Yeah.
me know say back in the day, before you got prison, popcorn underneath you. You're teaching
What that?
everything.
What kind of argument that?
I know argument, it's just a talk.
No, I mean I like the underneath me
Me no,
talk
me
there.
no underneath.
It's giving-
Mommy came out school, so. Me mean, you know, I'm a learn.
Popcorn,
I learn
why?
Popcorn. And him a scream free world boss. But
Yeah,
your
yeah.
son do a song say popcorn a Judas.
No, that's
A
him, little Addy.
Little Addy.
You know, but I would say this: every relationship have up and
Yes.
sideways. Cause we not go down.
That
but
is
you know them
true.
way there. So I just saw me and Popcorn from day one. Cause remember Popcorn and my son, you know.
So, yes.
You know what I mean? But me and him good now. We
Okay,
talk,
good.
yeah,
You want
man,
to
we
make
talk
sure
and-
you're good.
Yeah. We talk on everything, man. You know?
And you and Mavado, before,
I'm a brother,
yeah,
man.
Mavado good now
My
because
brother that,
remember
man.
Gaza and Gully and the Ray Ray,
Yeah,
right?
but me and my father will create a big column in dancehall.
Absolutely.
Through that clashing.
I
so
agree.
And funny enough, we came from the same camp,
Yeah, really?
which is the Alliance, Bounty Killer. Remember, we come from the same.
Remember Bounty and Beanie used to war all the
Exactly.
while,
So
kinda
Bounty
was
is a
like that.
warlord.
Vibes Cartel speak on future collab with the likes of Cardi B and Drake. Take a listen.
With Drake, Cardi, Khaled. I want one of them collabs there because I need it on the American
All right,
station.
definitely Drake. And
Drake.
definitely Cardi B. But
Mr. Cardi, she love you, you know?
yeah, man, Cardi, I'm a G, man.
Yeah, man, Cardi
Big
love
up
you.
Cardi, man. I want Bacardi, you know.
Bardi gang.
Yeah, man, Bardi.
Tease me, please me.
Drop it and just come breathe me.
Hold me tight and squeeze me.
No matter why you do not leave me.
She said, tease me, please
Drop
me.
it and just come breathe me.
Hold me tight and squeeze
No
me.
matter why you do not leave me.
Baby, anytime you want me, take up your phone and call me. No afraid fi tell me when you're horny. And put that pussy on me. Inside want me, you get wet the minute you saw me. Your skin smooth, girl, your body no cranny. Me a no goat, but me a go ram me. She said, tease me, please me.
Drop it and just come breathe me.
Nation, see them said the reason why she really fell in love with Vibes Cartel is because I substance and music, and she had listened to him from she had go to school, and I just now take a listen.
Right. What made you want to date this man that you've never met?
This man that, I
That
never
that
met.
man, yes, that man. Vibes Cartel, him.
Since school days,
Really?
I would always be like, Cartel this, everyone that knows me knows that's all I listen to.
What?
I don't listen to no one else.
Oh my goodness.
He completely satisfied my like musical taste. So I'd be driving anywhere and everywhere and all I'd be playing is him. So looking at his interviews and I don't know, I just really liked what I saw.
So you were just like a huge fan.
I was a fan, but I feel like I had like an inkling that there was something more.
Really?
Because it was just, I'm not a fan of anyone.
Right.
So I'm not, I don't really follow up on anyone, but this one, I couldn't stop
your
following
guy.
up on him.
So you're from England, and I know England overturned his conviction. Did you have anything to do with that?
No.
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 Okay. So you left your country and you moved to Jamaica before he was released. So what if he didn't get released?
I didn't think about that. That was not an option.
So you're persistent.
And tight all night, me bony. You never yet half, you always hold me. Make me hard like rock and hill west stony. You are me girl, but still me homie. Me love the love you always show me. She said,
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch, big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say, me appreciate you all on. You know what I mean? Until next time, guys, we out.